Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Jira integration inside a Retool workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Jira integration inside a Retool workflow, start by logging into your Retool account. Once logged in, navigate to the application where you want to add the Jira integration. In the left sidebar, click on the Resources tab. Next, click the Create New button to add a new resource. From the resource options, select Jira as your desired integration. You will now need to enter a name for your Jira resource. Proceed to input your Jira site URL in the appropriate field. Next, enter your Jira API token for authentication. If you don't have an API token, you can create one by accessing your Jira account settings. After entering the necessary information, click on the Test button to ensure the connection works. Once the test is successful, click Save to finalize the resource setup. Now, head back to your application workspace by clicking on the App tab. In your app layout, drag a component onto the canvas that you want to use for interacting with Jira. For example, you can use a table or a form component. With the component selected, navigate to the right sidebar to configure its properties. Find the Data Source option and select your newly created Jira resource. Now, you can define the specific Jira API endpoint you want to interact with. For instance, you might choose to fetch issues or create new tickets. In the query editor, write the relevant API call using Jira's REST API syntax. After defining your query, click on the Run button to test it within Retool. If the query returns data correctly, you can now bind this data to your component. For example, if you are using a table component, set it to display the fetched Jira issues. Adjust the styling and layout of your component to meet your application's design requirements. Once you are satisfied with the setup, save your changes to the application. You can now preview your application and see the integrated Jira data in action. Finally, when you finish all configurations, give your workflow a thorough test to ensure everything functions as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.